हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे चैलेंजिंग जी के। अगर आपको आंसर आता है तो कमेंट में बताइए कितने सही किए। और चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। इन विच स्टेट वॉज वैल्यू एडेड टैक्स वैट फर्स्ट इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन इंडिया? ए गोवा, बी दिल्ली, सी हरियाणा, डी झारखंड। करेक्ट आंसर इज हरियाणा। When was the first agricultural census conducted in India? A. 1991, B. 1970, C. 1960, D. 1950. Correct answer is 1970. What is called plastic money? A. Share, B. Discount coupon, C. Credit card, D. Paper currency. Correct answer is credit card. Where is the headquarter of Coffee Board located? A. Kottayam, Kerala, B. Guntur, Andhra Pradesh, C. Kolkata, West Bengal, D. Bangalore, Karnataka. Correct answer is Bangalore, Karnataka. When was the Minimum Wages Act implemented in India? A. 1954, B. 1952, C. 1950, D. 1948. Correct answer is 1948. Where was the first oil well dug in India? A. Surat, B. Makum, C. Lakwa, D. Digboi. Correct answer is Digboi. What is the main source of revenue of the central government? A. Sales tax, B. Central excise tax, C. Corporate tax, D. Income tax. Correct answer is corporation tax. Where was the first agricultural university established in India? A. Pantnagar, B. Kanpur, C. Ludhiana, D. Jabalpur. Correct answer is Pantnagar. When did the worldwide Great Depression occur? A. 1940, B. 1930, C. 1936, D. 1932. Correct answer is 1929. When was the first 5-year plan started in India? A. 1 जून 1953, B. 1 जून 1952, C. 1 मई 1951, D. 1 अप्रैल 1951. Correct answer is 1 अप्रैल 1951. Which is the biggest industry of India? A. Electricity industry, B. Banking industry, C. Mining industry, D. Textile industry. Correct answer is textile industry. When was Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, established? A. 1964, B. 1956, C. 1950, D. 1948. Correct answer is 1956. What is the logo of Make in India program? A. Tiger, B. Cheetah, C. Elephant, D. Lion. Correct answer is lion. Whose approval is required to start a 5-year plan? A. Finance Minister, B. Parliament, C. Prime Minister, D. National Development Council. Correct answer is National Development Council. What is India's position in the world in terms of telephone network? A. First, B. Second, C. Third, D. Fourth. Correct answer is third. Where is the maximum number of textile mills in India? A. Mumbai, B. Surat, सी कानपुर, डी अहमदाबाद। करेक्ट आंसर इज मुंबई। इन विच ईयर वॉज किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड स्कीम स्टार्टेड? ए 1998, बी 2000, सी 2002, डी 2004। करेक्ट आंसर इज 1998। When was the World Trade Organization established? A 1995, B 1997, C 1945, D 1969। करेक्ट आंसर 1995। पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें ताकि आपको वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिल जाए।